If you're over 60, there's a high chance you're silently losing muscle every day, even if you're eating healthy and walking regularly. But here's the good news. In this video, we're revealing 9 powerful foods that can stop muscle loss, rebuild strength, and help you stay active, independent, and pain-free even in your 70s or 80s. So grab a pen, because food number 6 is something most seniors ignore, and it's critical for strong muscles. Segment number 1. Why muscle loss happens after 60. Before we dive into the foods, let's understand the silent thief: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Starting around age 50, we begin to lose about 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year. By age 70, this loss accelerates, and it's often the reason why seniors fall, feel weak, or struggle with stairs. But the great news: the right foods can reverse it. Let's dive into them. Food number 1. Eggs, the muscle multivitamin. Yes, simple, humble eggs. Eggs are rich in complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. They also contain vitamin D, B12, and choline, all important for nerve and muscle function. Eat 1 to 2 boiled or scrambled eggs daily, yolk included. Seniors need the fat and nutrients. Food number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just tasty, it's a muscle-building superfood. It contains double the protein of regular yogurt and is high in leucine, an amino acid that directly signals your body to build muscle. It's also easy to digest for seniors with weaker appetites. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add some fruit or honey. Food number 3. Salmon, omega-3 rich powerhouse. You may know salmon is great for the heart, but did you know it also preserves muscle mass? Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, both of which reduce inflammation and help repair aging muscles. Try this: bake or grill salmon 2 to 3 times a week for maximum benefits. Food number 4. Spinach, the iron booster. Popeye was onto something. Spinach is packed with iron, magnesium, and nitrates that improve blood flow to muscles. It also helps your body use protein more efficiently. Eat it cooked for better nutrient absorption. Add it to soups, curries, or scrambled eggs. Food number 5. Lentils and beans. Protein doesn't just come from meat. Lentils, kidney beans, and chickpeas are excellent plant-based sources of protein and fiber, which also helps your gut absorb nutrients better. They also contain potassium, zinc, and B vitamins, all crucial for maintaining muscle. Mix lentils with brown rice and veggies, a complete, muscle-loving meal. Food number 6. Cottage cheese, the nighttime secret. This one surprises many seniors. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly. When eaten before bed, it fuels muscle repair all night long, exactly when your body heals. Add some fruits or cinnamon and enjoy a delicious, muscle-friendly evening snack. Food number 7. Bananas, the cramp fighter. Ever get painful leg cramps at night? That's often due to potassium or magnesium deficiency, and bananas can help. They restore electrolyte balance, support muscle function, and keep you energized. Great as a morning snack or added to oatmeal. Food number 8. Lean chicken or turkey breast. Lean poultry like chicken and turkey are excellent sources of complete protein without the excess fat. They are easy to chew and digest, perfect for older adults who struggle with red meat. Grill or bake with light spices, avoid fried or processed meats. Food number 9. Parmesan cheese, calcium plus protein combo. Yes, a little cheese can go a long way. Parmesan cheese is high in calcium, which supports muscle contraction and bone strength. And it also delivers a decent amount of protein per ounce. Just sprinkle a little on veggies or soup and you get both taste and muscle support. Segment number 2. Extra tips to boost muscle health. Now that you know the 9 muscle-saving foods, here are 3 bonus tips for maximum results. Eat protein with every meal. Don't wait till dinner. Muscles need steady supply. Stay hydrated. Muscles are 75% water. Dehydration weakens them fast. Do light resistance exercises even 10 minutes of band workouts or chair squats help activate muscle growth. Segment number 3. What to avoid. Want your muscle foods to work? Then avoid these silent destroyers. Sugary snacks, they increase inflammation and slow muscle repair. Alcohol interferes with protein synthesis. Skipping meals, every missed meal, missed chance for muscle protection. You don't have to accept weakness, frailty, or falls as a normal part of aging. With these 9 simple foods, you can stay strong, independent, and full of energy at ANYH. Start small, add 2 of these foods today. Build the habit your body will thank you in weeks. Speech balloon, tell us in the comments. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one are you excited to try? Bell, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health wisdom made just for seniors. White right pointing backhand index, subscribe, stay strong and healthy after 60.